It's day number 10 of our 12 days of back-to-back Christmas cookies marathon, and today we're making Santa's Thick and Chewy Christmas Monster Cookies. These cookies are huge, just the kind of cookie to help fuel Santa as he delivers all of the toys and goodies to all of the good little boys and girls and me. To a bowl, we need half a cup of softened butter, half a cup of regular sugar, and half a cup of brown sugar. We're gonna mix this up real quick. Next goes in 1 cup of creamy peanut butter. We're making special cookies for Santa. Gotta pack in that protein. Mix, mix, mix. Next we need 2 eggs and 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract. More mixing. For our dry ingredients, we need 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 2 cups of old-fashioned oats. We're loading Santa up with protein while also helping to lower the risk of heart disease. Give the bowl a good scrape. Lastly, we need half a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, half a cup of butterscotch chips, and half a cup of red and green M&Ms. Well, if the protein from the peanut butter doesn't fuel Santa, at least he'll have a solid sugar rush. Grab your baking sheet and some parchment paper, and your largest cookie scooper. The recipe says your dough balls want to be about 3 tablespoons worth. I thought that's what this scoop was. I was wrong. It's actually 4 tablespoons. Oh well, it's fine. We're not even gonna roll the ball smooth, we're just gonna take it straight to the parchment paper. Make sure to space them out at least 2 inches for spreading. Before we toss these in the oven, we're gonna cover the tops with more M&Ms because hey, we've got to make the outside eye-catching for Santa too. Into the oven at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. After the cookies come out of the oven, it's important to let them sit on the baking sheet undisturbed for at least 5 minutes. This lets them fully set up. If you move them right away, they're gonna fall apart, and then that little snitch on the shelf will report back to Santa what an epic kitchen fail he just witnessed. And we can't have that. After 5 minutes, they can be moved to a cooling rack to finish cooling down. If you'd rather they look a little flatter and not so rounded on top, give the tops a little pat down before applying the M&Ms. Here's the second batch, and I think I like this look a lot better. Here's an ingredients list. Thanks for watching today's 10th day of our 12 Days of Christmas Cookie series. Santa will be thrilled to eat one of these. Check back in tomorrow for another quick and easy Christmas cookie recipe. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out, and I'll see you all tomorrow.